Robotics and Automation Technology. The Robotics and Automation Technology program gives students the opportunity to work with smart machines. The combination of high-speed computers and artificial intelligence software has advanced the field of robotics to produce a need for engineering technicians with a broad range of advanced technical skills. The core curriculum includes 2 college-level dual enrollment courses, MET 120, Industrial Mechanical Systems, and MET 130, Industrial Electrical Systems. Some of the topics include power supplies, switches, resistors, capacitors, inductors, motors, transformers, fuses, circuit breakers, and rheostats. Students will install, test, and troubleshoot electrical and electronic components and systems. On the mechanical system side, students will calculate speed, torque, power, pitch, ratio, and mechanical efficiency. The Level 2 and Level 3 curriculum will provide more in-depth instruction in robotics and automation and will include DC circuits, single-phase transformers, pneumatics, hydraulics, basic mechanical power, electrical motors and controls, programmable logic controls, and robotics. Graduates of this program can have employment opportunities as an electromechanical technician, commercial and industrial equipment technician, or electronics technician. This program provides an excellent foundation for pursuing a college degree in engineering or other technical fields.